Hi from the SI network. Today's video is about SI Open Accelerator program. My name is Roma Patadia and I work as program manager and innovation facilitator with the SI network. And I'm super excited to be launching this program, which is meant to support organizations in becoming successful systems innovation initiatives. So let's start by getting a quick overview of the program. What is the program all about? It's a 6-week program meant to help participants learn how to apply some of these toolkits of systems innovation and also incubate an initiative with a group of peers. So in the 6-week program, you will learn how to apply the tools of systems thinking, systems mapping, transition design, and ecosystem building around a real world challenge that you bring. And who is it for? It is for anybody who wants to gain an understanding of systems innovation toolkit and integrate it in their work and address real world challenges using these toolkits. It's best suited for people who already have an understanding of ideas of systems innovation and want to learn further and deepen their learnings. The program is a series of 6 sessions, which will span over 6 weeks, and each session will go on for about 2 hours. It includes presentation, coaching, and workshops, and it will take place online on Zoom meeting and Meetup. At the end of the workshop, you will gain an understanding of methods of systems innovation and how to apply them. And you'll also have worked with others to incubate an initiative. Over the 6 weeks, we will work on different um, challenge each week. For the first week, we will learn about all these toolkits of systems innovation. In second week, we will explore the challenge space with systemic view. And then third week, we will map the system and find high leverage points. Week 4, we will ideate new innovations in these high leverage points to create this new system. Week 5 is to develop these innovations and create strategies to bring it to the ground. Week 6 is to present all these findings to your peer group. Each of these sessions is based on these six key design principles. First is focus on tools. So the program will be focused on methods and tools of systems innovation. We'll also get an opportunity to get mentorship from people who've already worked with systems change initiatives. And it is a peer learning space, so you will be able to meet your cohort every week to discuss and unpack some of the principles. It's going to be super hands-on. So for every toolkit, you will get an opportunity to apply, to learn how to apply it to your challenge. And each session will be grounded in a lot of real-world examples. And lastly, it is going to be challenge focused, so organized around a challenge that you bring. With this, I would love to invite you for the SI Open Accelerator info session happening tomorrow at 5 p.m. CET. This is going to be a series of 6 sessions, 2 hours each, spanning over 6 weeks. And these sessions are scheduled for every Wednesday at 5 p.m. CET. The program starts on May 27th at 5 p.m. CET. In case you have missed the info session that's happening tomorrow, please join us on 27th of May. We'd love to see you there. And alongside this, there will also be an optional coaching session that will happen on every Monday at 3 p.m. CET. The event will be held online on Zoom meeting, and we will use Miro as a whiteboard for the workshops and collaborations. With this, I would love to invite you for the SI Open Accelerator program info session happening tomorrow. Please find a link to the event in the description. And if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out or comment in the comment box below, and hope to see you there.